In this video, we will see how IntelliJ installation and setup is done for Windows. Type IntelliJ download in Google and go to its official website. IntelliJ is provided with two versions. One is Community Edition, which is open source version, and other is Ultimate Edition, which is premium version, which is available for 30 days free trial period. You can compare the features of these two editions here. As of now, we will go ahead with Community Edition download. IntelliJ executable file got downloaded successfully. Let's run it. Let's install IntelliJ application by clicking Next button. This is the location where IntelliJ gets installed. Let's move forward by clicking Next button. I am ticking required settings for our IntelliJ and moving forward. This will add to Windows Start menu. Now, let's click on Install. Therefore, the installation has begun. Now, system is asking for reboot now, or you do it later, manually, after some time. I will choose to reboot now, so that IntelliJ installation completes. Now, Windows system gets restarted. After system restarted, to start the IntelliJ, we need to read the privacy policy, and to be accepted by us. We can choose data sharing. Don't send. Now, IntelliJ getting started. Therefore, IntelliJ installed successfully. That's it.